Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Y-
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
Hello. I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well too. Thank you very much. And your name is Sahiba?
Yes, my name is Sahiba. What's your name?
And my name is Jen. It's nice to meet you, Sahiba.
Nice to meet you too.
And where are you from?
I am from India.
You're from India.
Yes.
Wow, you're very fair
Yeah.
for an Indian. You're very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Where are you
And
from?
sorry.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Singapore originally, but I live in Mexico right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Cool.
so it's very far away. And where in India are you from?
Jammu and Kashmir.
You're from where?
Kashmir, northern part.
The northern part of India?
Uh-huh. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Could you say the name again, please?
Sorry?
Could you say the name of where you're from again, please?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, Kashmir.
Kashmir, yes.
Ah, okay. Wow. That's so cool. I've been to where have I been to? I've been to Ladakh. Is it close to there?
Yes, yes, Ladakh.
Well, it's so
Yeah.
nice there. It's such a beautiful place.
Have you visited in India?
Yes, I've been to Ladakh. I've been to Leh.
Oh, Leh Ladakh. Yes. Yeah. In
Yeah.
Kashmir.
It, yeah, that's right.
Oh, wow.
It, it's
How
very
long?
beautiful. I really liked it. I went for 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah, only 1 week.
Oh.
Maybe next time I will go again. I want to go to
Oh.
Manali.
Manali. Yes, yes, I know Manali. I heard this name.
Hmm. You
Oh,
haven't been to Manali before?
no.
No?
No.
But it's very beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what
Your
I hear.
your hairstyle is very, very beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. And what language do you speak?
Urdu. Hindi and
Oh,
Urdu.
you speak Hindi and Urdu.
Yes. Mostly I speak
Okay.
Urdu.
Oh, is that because you're on close to the border with Pakistan?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay. Oh, wow, that's very cool.
Yes.
I I know how to count, I think in Hindi and Urdu.
Mm-hmm.
It's what like ek, do, teen,
Char,
char, panch.
panch. Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Just a little bit.
You know Urdu language? You can
No,
speak?
just a little bit. A little bit.
Okay. Can you
I can say kya hai, kitna hai.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Um, you tell me how meaning of how are you?
How are you? Oh, I don't remember how to say how are
आप
you.
कैसे हो?
Uh, yes, आप कैसे हो?
हाँ, yes, yes,
And what is this? क्या है is
yes,
what is
yes.
this, right?
Yo, क्या? What? क्या?
क्या and
Yes.
है
क्या है?
क्या
खाना
है?
खाया?
And bus is enough.
क्या? What? What?
Bus, bus,
बस?
bus is enough, right?
Oh
And
wow.
I don't remember. I don't remember all the words
Okay,
in
okay, it's
Hindi
okay,
or
no problem.
Urdu. But I used to live in the United Arab Emirates, you know, the
Mm-hmm.
UAE.
Yes, I heard.
Yeah, yeah, I used to live there before, and there's a lot of Indians, a lot of
Mm-hmm.
Pakistanis there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
And how is the situation in Kashmir? Is it okay? Is it safe?
yes, yes, safe.
It's safe in Kashmir now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
But
you are
sorry, go
you
ahead.
are student?
No, I'm just traveling right now and I'm teaching English online.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you are a
Hmm.
Cambly teacher.
Yes, that's right.
Oh,
Just that.
you look so
What about
young.
you? Really? Thank
Yeah.
you.
How old are
You look
you?
very young too. I'm 30.
Sorry?
I'm 30. 30.
30.
Yeah.
Tees. Okay, 30. You know tees?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Sorry.
3, 4, 5. Tees.
These. It's
Yes.
these?
Yeah, yeah.
These? Okay,
30.
now I know how to say it. These.
Oh, yaar. You look uh, you look 22 or 23.
Oh
Seriously.
gosh, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're
Shukriya.
yeah, you look so young.
Thank you.
Yeah, I
You
am
look very
17
young
years old.
too.
I'm
You're
17.
17 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were around that age. You look extremely young.
Yes.
And are you in
Okay.
school now?
Yes, I am in 12th grade.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Okay. And do you like school?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you going to school physically or do you do school online?
Online right now. Yes, online.
Okay. And how long have you done school online for?
Sorry? Yeah.
How
Mm, 1 year ago, maybe.
1 year?
Yes.
Wow, that's such a long time to do school
I'm
online,
staying
isn't
at
it?
home.
You stay at home the whole time?
Yes. Here is the
Wow, okay.
coronavirus right now.
Yeah, it's very bad
Yes.
in India, isn't it
Yeah.
now?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And
So,
how has your government been handling it?
sorry?
How has your government been managing the coronavirus? Are they doing a good job or not a good job?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-hmm.
And do you know anybody who has gotten the coronavirus?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You do?
Yeah. Mm.
Wow, okay.
So,
It's,
mm, do you live with your family?
no, I don't live with my family. I live alone with my boyfriend.
Allah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So my family still lives in Singapore,
Mm-hmm.
but I live in Mexico.
Okay.
So
Your
it's
country
it's
name is?
very far away.
What's your
My
country name?
country is Singapore.
Singapore. Okay.
Yeah, Singapore. So it's in Southeast Asia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I currently live in Mexico right now.
Mexico. Yeah, I heard this name.
Yeah, it's very far away, very far
Yeah.
away from India also.
So, do you have sibling?
Yes, I have two siblings. I have two older brothers.
And you? You are youngest?
I'm the youngest, yes. Do
Oh,
you have
me
siblings?
too.
You're the youngest also?
Yes, I have two older brothers and one older sister and me.
Wow, that's a big
Four.
family.
Yes,
Four of
big
you.
family. Yeah, four childrens.
Well, we're running out of time, so nice talking to
Yes,
you.
nice to meet you. Bye bye.